Good morning, children. Yes, till yesterday we completed the new words with their meanings, right? From the lesson, Unit 1, Lesson number 1, the cap seller and the monkeys. Right, children? Have you all bahated them? Yes, you have to bahat all the new words with their meanings. Okay? Now today what we will do? We will read the lesson. Okay? All of you open a textbook, page number 12. Right? Page number 12. And note down your homework. You have to read page number 12 3 times. Okay? You have to read 3 times. And write script writing. Right? Script writing. So children, you have to do the separate script writing notebook. In your notebook, the separate notebook you have to make 4-line notebook for script writing. Okay, the same page, the page number 1 which we already wrote, the same you have to follow in your notebook, not in the script writing book. Understood? So let us learn all the new words. Let us recall them. Open your notebook and keep it aside, which you have already written the new words, right? We will learn the meanings of the new words in the lesson. Today we will read only page number 12, that you have to read 3 times. Okay? 3 times you have to read it. Okay children? Open the textbook. See children, let us start reading the textbook. All of you opened? Okay. See children, so nicely, beautifully they have written the story along with the pictures. Right? Let us read and understand what is there in the lesson. The cap seller and the monkeys. The new generation. The new generation. Red caps. See children, they have written here. So how you have to pronounce along with the cap? Red caps and blue caps, pretty little white caps, green caps and yellow caps, polka dotted caps. See children, polka dotted caps. I shown you what is the polka dotted. It is a design, right, or a spots. You have your notebook aside, right, which we have written the new words with the meanings. Keep it aside and read along with the new words. Stripped. See, striped means the lines, can you see here? The striped caps. How many types of caps does this lesson have? Red caps, the blue caps, pretty little white caps, green caps and yellow caps, polka dotted caps, striped caps. Come out children, where are you? I have got caps for each one of you. See, who is saying this? Come out children. Where are you? I have got caps for each one of you. It was past noon. See children, underline the new words along with the reading. I wrote the meaning, right? What is the meaning of past noon? After 12 p.m. right? Along with the reading, you can underline the new words. Polka dotted, striped, past noon. It was past noon and the children were back from school. In the afternoon, you also go to your homes, right? From the school? Yes. It was past noon in the afternoon and the children were back from the school. Hearing the familiar song. Familiar means well known, right? Familiar. Hearing the familiar song, the children ran out of their homes. After hearing a familiar song, means well known songs, the children ran out of their homes to greet Ramu Kaka. To whom? Who was saying this? Come out children. Ramu Kaka. Right? Greet means, yes, greeting upon someone, to meet him. Their favorite cap seller. Who was Ramu Kaka? Ramu Kaka was a cap seller. Right, children? All the children, they came out from their homes to greet Ramu Kaka, their favorite cap seller. The children were very fond of him. Yes, fond of means? Yes, what you have written? Fond of means, children. Here, they know him. They know Ramu Kaka very well. Fond of means liking much. Very fond of him because he told them interesting stories. Interesting stories of people he had met in other villages. Right? Why they used to like Ramu Kaka? Because Ramu Kaka told all the children interesting stories. Like whenever he used to go village to village to sell the caps, he used to tell all the story to the children about the people he had met in different villages. Village means what, children? A small town, right? Yes. Moreover, his caps were good and cheap. How were his caps? Good and cheap. Cheap means low in price, right? Yes. Next, Ramu Kaka managed. Managed means somehow he becomes successful to sell a few caps. To sell a few caps he could manage. After entertaining the children with some stories, he decided to move on to another village. Yes, when he told the interesting stories after entertaining the children, he decided to move to another village. On the way, he saw a big tree. On the way, what he saw? Ramu Kaka saw a big tree. Ramu Kaka was tired. See here. Ramu Kaka was very tired. Ramu Kaka, he decided to take some rest under this huge shady tree. See, huge shady means you will see the shadow right under the tree. So he wanted to take rest there. Next, what happens? He carefully lowered his basket. See, children, he decided to take some rest under that huge shady tree before moving to the next village. He carefully lowered his basket of caps after eating his lunch. What happened here? After eating his lunch, what he did? He slowly lowered that basket, the basket of caps. He lowered that and he started eating. He went off to sleep. After eating a food, he went off to sleep. He wanted to take a short nap. What do you mean short nap? Sleeping for a time, right? And what do you mean by tired? Tired means lost interest. Ramu Kaka did not realize. Realize means, yes, to become aware of something. What he did not aware? Ramu Kaka did not realize that the tree he had chosen was home to a lot of monkeys. Ramu Kaka did not realize the tree which he had chosen to take rest was home for lots of monkeys. Can you see the monkeys on the tree? Yes, there are so many monkeys. So he was not aware of it. Next, what happens? They waited till he had fallen asleep. All the monkeys, they were watching Ramu Kaka and they were waiting for Ramu Kaka fall asleep. Means when he will sleep, there they will start their naughtiness. What they will do? We will let you know in our next page. So what you have to do, children? You have to read this all lesson. You understood, right? Yes, Ramu Kaka was a cap seller. He started to sell the caps in a village. After school, children came to their home. Then, after hearing the Ramu Kaka's voice, they all came out from their homes. Then they were very fond of Ramu Kaka because he used to tell interesting story to them, right? And his caps were very good and cheap. Ramu Kaka, after entertaining the children, he went to another village. He decided to take rest. He was tired, right? Then he wanted to take rest. Then he chosen the tree where lots of monkeys were there. He was not aware of it. Then all the monkeys, they are waiting to Ramu Kaka fallen as sleep. What they will do the next? We will let you know in our next class. So children, this was your classwork. You have to read this 3 times. Okay. Now come to the script writing. See, here you have to write the script writing, the same page. May God bless us. Cats mew. So put the day Wednesday, 11th of August 2021. Script writing page number 1. So this entire page you have to write very neatly. Sharpen your pencil. Okay, you should not be blunt. Sharpen it and write very neatly. Okay children, bye, take care.